Hello, students. My name is Shesi George, your professional accounting teacher. All right. Before you continue with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Georgian Theory Concepts. Thank you. All right. Let's get started. In this video, we are looking at the concept of index number. What are index number? Index number are nothing but statistical measures designed to show changes in a variable or group of variables with respect to time or for geographical location. All right. The variables we are talking here under this context, we talk of price, changes in price, or changes in quantity, or changes in both price and quantity, okay? Over time, in respect to time, or for geographical location. We have methods of index number. What are the methods? Number one, we have unweighted price index number. Then we have weighted aggregative price index number. The examples of unweighted price index number includes one, simple price relative index, SPRI. Number two, we have simple aggregate price index, SAPI, that's SAPI. Then the last one is simple average of relative price. Then for the weighted aggregative index number, we have Laspeyre, Pache, Fisher, and Marshall Ellsworth. So we are going to consider these uh, all these formulas, these methods. We check them one by one. But in this video, we'll look at these three. Then in part two of this video, we'll look at this other classification. Okay. Now let's look at this illustration. Okay, you can pause the video and write down this practice question. Pause the video for a while and write down the practice question. We have determined the SPRI, SAPI, and SARPI for the following table using 2004 as the base year. So these are the items. These are the items and the prices of items. Price per unit is given. We have four items. Four items. These are their prices. For 2005, these are their prices. For 2006, these are their prices. Okay? All right. Okay. Now, A Roman figure 1, A1, that's 1. We have SPRI, that's simple price relative index. Simple price relative index is P sub n divided by P sub O times 100 over 1, where Pn is current year price for item under consideration. PO is the base year for price, base year price for item under consideration. So what is the base year price? The base year in this question, let's look at this question. The question said we should use 2004 as the base year. All right. So to do that, we have let's calculate 2005 now for year 2005. Okay. Item ASPRI is, so what is the price of the current year? The current year is 30, while the base year is 20. So we have 30 divided by 20 multiplied by 100 all over 1. And this will give us 150%. Okay. Then for item B, SPRI, the current year is 42 and the base year is 30. Base year price, so that's 42 over 30 multiplied by 100 all over 1. And this is nothing but, when you use your calculator, it will give you 140%. Okay. Then for item C, item C is 10. The base year is 10, the current year is 15. So that will be SPRI will be 15 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 all over 1. And this, of course, will give you 150%. So for item D, SPRI will be D, which is 8 divided by 6 times 100 all over 1. And the base, then this will give you 130%. So these are the price index, all right? These are the price index. So for 2006, the SPRI for A, you take the current, now 2006, 60 becomes the current year price, okay? It will now be 60 divided by 20 multiplied by 100 all over 1, and that will give nothing but 300%. Then for item B, SPRI, that will be 55 divided by 30, okay? And that will give you 55 divided by 30 multiplied by 100 over 1, and this will give you 183%. For item C, SPRI, that will be 20 divided by 10. That's 20 divided by 10 times 100 all over 1. And this will give you 200%. And lastly, DSPRI, okay, will be 15 divided by 6. That's 15 divided by 6 times 100 all over 1. And this is nothing but 250%. Okay. All right. Then we need to calculate the SAPI. That is simple aggregate price index. Simple aggregate price index. So for SP, that is simple aggregate price index. So you need to add all the prices here. So by the time you add this, that is summation PO. What is summation PO? When you add this, it will give you 66. When you add 30 plus 42 plus 15 plus 8, okay, this is summation PN1, and that gives nothing but 95. You add 60 plus 55 plus 20 plus 15, and that is summation PN2, and that gives 150. Having done that, so the formula for SPA is summation PN divided by PO. So for year 2005, our SAPI for 2005 is nothing but the aggregates of 2005. And what is the aggregate of 2005? And that is 95 divided by the aggregates of 2004, which is the base year. So 2005 is the current year. So for the base year is that is 66 multiplied by 100 all over 1, and this gives nothing but 143.9394. You can approximate it to 144%. Okay. Then for 2006, our SAPI 2006 is the current year. Okay, 2006 becomes the current year, which is 150 divided by the base year, which is 2004. So the base here is 66 multiplied by 100 over 1. And this gives nothing but uh, 227.2727, a recurring decimal, which is 227%. Okay, so that one has been done. Now let's go to the third aspect of the question, which is simple average relative price index. Simple average relative price index. All right. For simple average relative price index, this is the formula: summation PN divided by PO times 100 all over N, where N is the number of items under consideration. So our number of items is 4. Under this question is 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Take note of that. That's N. Now to do this, you need to get PN1 divided by PO. Okay? And what are we doing here? This is 30, no, for 2015. Okay, so for 2005, we have PN1 divided by PO. Okay, so we have 30 divided by 20. 30 divided by 20 will give you, this is 30 divided by 20, and this gives 1.5. For B, you have 42 divided by 30, and this gives 1.4. Then for C, 15 is the current price divided by the base year price. That is 15 divided by 10, and this gives 1.5. Then 8 divided by 6. So 8 divided by 6, and this gives nothing but 1.3. So you do for PN2 divided by P base year price, which is 60 divided by 20. So what is 60 divided by 20? That is 60 divided by 20, and that gives nothing but 3.00. Then 55 divided by 30, that's 55 divided by 30, and that gives nothing but 1.83. Then we have 20 divided by 10, that's 20 divided by 10, and that gives 2.00. Then lastly, we have 15 divided by 6, so that's 15 divided by 6, and that is when you press your calculator, we have 2.50. Then you now find the aggregates. So let us add 1.5 plus 1.4 plus 1.5 plus 1.3, and that gives 5.70. So that's the summation of PN and PO. Okay, then you find the summation of this. You add all these 3 plus 1.83 plus 2 will give you nothing but 9.33. Okay, now from the formula is simple aggregates relative price index is nothing but summation. So for 2005, so for 2005 will be 5.7 divided by multiplied by 100, then divided by 4, and this gives 142.5, which is 143%. So for 2006, our SARP I 2006 is summation, which is 9.3 multiplied by 100 divided by 4, and this gives 233.25 from my calculator. So we have 233%. Okay. Yeah. If you understand these concepts, please do share with your friends. Share with your friends. Thank you.